brush. So I'm gonna draw really quick and simple, and it's really precise. The bristle is really precise, as you can able to create even the French look or the precise look. So I'm gonna draw like a simple, cute, simple ribbons. So I'm gonna do one here and then one just cracks from that. It's so easy. And hold still, stay stationary. And with this, it's give you such a really easy to control your drawing. I'm gonna give it like a little bit of a soft look. Give a good phone coverage, because we're gonna. So now this is really cool. You can either leave this one alone like this after you're done, or you can do is sprinkle your glitter on. Cool, and it's still wet. And then so we're gonna do another one just across. And I love that how you can really easy to control this. And both of them are still wet. I still haven't cured anything yet, because we're gonna add some of kind of a sugar glitter on. I was thinking of this when I thinking of this designs I'm doing. I'm thinking of you, like, which is that what is gonna bring you is some cute designs for the holiday, and will probably taking only like maybe 5 minutes or less for you. All right, so now if you're happy with that ribbon, it looks, you can do however you want. You can make your ribbons on the top, on the bottom, on the centers, just up to you and your clients. If you're doing it for your clients' designs, it's really up to you. And then I am going to get one of the empty tray, and with the Snow White sugar glitter. Love it. I just drop it and it make it like, open it. And remember, I cap it with, I seals with the matte top coat already. If you like to be shiny, you can definitely doing it shiny finish. And then I'm gonna sprinkle it, sprinkle. Give it probably about like 2 or 3 times to make sure they are all of the glitter absorbing it to this. And then tap it. Don't touch anything. Don't dust anything off yet. We are going to key it for 60 seconds first to let this design dry.